Hi everyone, my name is Leone and I'm the owner and operator at LB Art, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about xTool. I first was introduced to xTool in April of 2022. I did some research, was looking for a laser to do some wedding decor, and they had the best reviews, overall best pricing. I was intrigued, so I bought my first original D1. From there, I quickly developed an obsession. Shortly thereafter, moved on to a D1 Pro, 20 watt, 10 watt, then an IR module. From there, I ordered the P2, which is a CO2 laser, and I began doing tumblers and a few other larger items. Then I moved on to the F1 to do some metal work, F1 Ultra after that, and I just recently purchased my P2S, which is an upgraded version of the P2. I like all the machines. I find that I don't use the open frame as much anymore. Those are the D1 products, only because I'm very limited in space. I'm in the process of expanding, but with my little space, I want to get the most bang for my buck, and I want less exhaust. So I stick mostly to my CO2 and my F1 Ultra at this time. I like doing jewelry. I like doing tumblers. I do some sign work. I think my passion is mostly jewelry and tumblers. And let's take a moment and look at some of the projects that you can do with your xTool machine. Now we'll look at a couple projects. This is a wooden sign. It's an inlay. It's made with a couple different types of wood and some paint. And it's my personal little piece of sunshine in my office. And I have here one of the tumblers I've done. I like to do full wraps. It's my preference. And we move down to jewelry. So these are xTool blanks, and you can use your F1 or your F1 Ultra to do custom engraving on the back. Over here are wood and acrylic inlay earrings. These are done on my P2. Here we have, this is acrylic, and I like to do these particular sets on either the F1 or the F1 Ultra because the IR produces a nice bone color engrave on black acrylic, as you can see. I've even added a little bit of depth there. This is a minimalist wallet, and these are, to me, they're best done on the F1 Ultra. You can also do them on the F1. I just prefer the Ultra personally. These are just a small sampling of the number of different projects that you can do on these machines. As I mentioned earlier, I did wedding decor. There were fans, glasses, you name it. Let's take a look at a couple of xTool machines. Here is my original P2, and there you have a look at the inside. It's a beauty, and fire protection. I'll go over here. There's my Ultra. There's my P2S. Brand new, still smells like a new car. Just done a little test on it, and that's it. I had no idea when I started that wedding project that this would turn into a passion that borders on obsession, but here we are. I have so many machines. I love using them every spare moment I get. I'm on these machines or designing. I couldn't encourage you more to go down this path if it's something you're thinking about. And xTool machines are extremely user-friendly, very well made. Support is great. I couldn't ask for anything better, and I can't speak highly enough about their brand. Do your research, ask questions. There are many forums online and Facebook. You can get opinions from any number of people, but I guarantee you xTool is the way to go. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me.